My name is Dr. Bill Reed, and I'm the director of the Rehabilitation Science Doctoral Program at the University of Alabama, Birmingham. I'm a force-based mechanism researcher and a chiropractor by clinical training. In 2021, we submitted an NIH application to create a scientific and clinical network called ForceNET to address NCCIH and NIDS's call for better understanding of mechanisms associated with force-based manual therapies. In particular, we formed a diverse team of clinicians and researchers with diverse backgrounds in neurophysiology, biomechanics, and contextual-based effects, not only to generate and support RFAs for pilot grants, but also to develop training programs to improve the competitiveness of young investigators or seasoned researchers who are new to the force-based mechanisms. In 2022, we were informed our NIH U24 proposal was awarded, and for the next 5 years, we will be building ForceNet as an interdisciplinary network of researchers and clinicians supporting grants for mechanisms-based research.
Hi, I'm Chad Cook, and I'm a professor at Duke University. I am a researcher in the area of manual therapy, and as a clinician, I've used manual therapy a lot. Along with Bill Reed, I'm one of the principal investigators on the ForceNet research team. And as Bill mentioned, ForceNet is unique as it addresses force-based mechanisms. And if you're not familiar with the term mechanism, it reflects the steps or the processes through which a treatment unfolds and produces a change. Mechanism studies answer the question of why do treatments work? Force-based manipulations such as mobilization and spinal manipulation are all well supported in clinical trials, but what we know less about is how these unfold, how these actually make the difference that we see in a clinical environment. Being on ForceNet excites me for several reasons. First of all, I get to work with very seasoned, very capable researchers that are part of the ForceNet team. We also get to build a network of mechanisms-based researchers from all fashions and all backgrounds. And I think that's going to allow this area to truly grow. I think in the long run, we're going to have a much better understanding of why manual therapies work in the clinic by studying the mechanisms that are underlying their value.
Chad and I are honored to work with Dr. Grace Kolchuk from the University of Alberta, Don Elliott from the University of Delaware, and Vitali Napadal from Harvard, who are co-investigators on ForceNet. Along with these researchers, we have talented and diverse group of individuals in our working groups that are passionate about manual therapy as we are. Please take the time to investigate our website. Please consider joining ForceNet so that we can send you information about upcoming events and when the grants are released. And by all means, please reach out to us if you have any questions. Thank you for allowing us to tell you about our story, and we look forward to working with you in the future.